Hello again, cartoon car collectors. I'm laughing because I have no clue what this is. I was going through like an antiques mall, and this was there. And there's no packaging, it was just in a bag, and I bought it. So I'm gonna need your help, guys. I don't watch cartoons, but I'm gonna assume this is from a Japanese cartoon of some sort. I took Google Translate on my phone to the letters there, and it translated it to bird dragon. But when I do a search for bird dragon cartoon, manga, anime, nothing comes up. And then I just did a house car search. I even translated it into Japanese and then searched, and these are like some of the results here for like a house car. Uh, so all I can do is share this funky looking thing with you guys, and hopefully someone knows or recognizes this thing. But on the bottom, it says BP 2013 China, and then a copyright of B/SFT. So like, it's really weird, you know. It's something. Why wouldn't they just write the real thing? There's plenty of room to write the name of this thing on there, but no, it's not there. So I'm gonna assume this is probably a really cheap toy from 2013. It's all plastic, but it's actually quite durable, rigid, pretty thick plastic. The front end looks like a British car, kind of like a, well, it's not quite a Mini. It's an Austin of some sort, maybe, or Hillman or something. I'm not sure, but and then from there on is just kind of crazy. I mean, it's got a house or an apartment building or something on it, right? There's actually a black steering wheel in there. I like the light wiper blade there. The painted on headlights are okay. The rib texture in the grill. But yeah, it's got two windows up there, and then two side doors here. It's got these tiny, tiny little wheels with holes kind of casted in. And then two larger windows up there, and then that one printing on this side. Two of those big windows in the back, and a bumper, and look, these tiny little tail lights, right? It's very funny. Okay, so this here, and then we have like an access door here as well. No paint though. No paint on this side mirror here. There's actually a side mirror here, but no paint. This side has, maybe that's supposed to be a mirror, but it's much smaller than the other side, right? Look at that difference. And then on the top, it actually has two skylights with white painter on all these windows. It's pretty nice. I mean, it's nicely detailed for something that was probably really cheap. I don't see any screw holding this together, so I'm kind of curious, you know. I don't want to break it though. I'm sure it's like a friction fit, some sort of tabs or something holding that in place. And then oddly, it actually does roll. It rolls decently because it has plastic wheels. So it's a mystery. Now I'm just trying to look inside the interior. I can see there's a driver's seat, but back here I don't see anything. It's just, I think it's just all hollow in the back. I don't think there's even a floor. I can see like a big column running from the top to the bottom, probably for strength. Right there is the pole. It would have been cool if the doors opened. You know, it's big enough that I think they could do it, but well, so it's a real weird one, guys. I am always finding weird stuff in this by collecting these little miniature vehicles, and this takes the cake. But yeah, hopefully someone can find out what this is. But since I don't even know what to list this as in my YouTube description, it's improbable anyone's even going to see this video other than the 10 other people that like these deformed vehicles. Alright, well anyways, let's compare it to a couple other vehicles here. Just for a reference, here's a Tamika Limited Vintage Taxi. This is a Toyota Crown Comfort. So it's shorter than a true 64 scale car, a mid-sized car. Obviously a bit taller. And then, so we have a Mini here. I think it's by Kieran. It's one of those free coffee promo cars. I added some black paint to the wheels, I think, though. And so I can definitely see like a British influence, but again, well, We just don't know. Here's a Volkswagen Beetle, not Beetle, a Volkswagen T2 bus by choro-q 0. So there we are. Let's get the Mini out of here. And then I have this AB or Jodis.com branded AEC Route Master London bus. So that's the closest thing I have to it. In fact, they're actually almost the same length. Just obviously the height and the width is a little bit different. Try to give you a more top-down view here so you can look at those skylight windows. It's just cracking me up. It is so strange. Someone literally put like a small apartment building onto like a six-wheel British car or something like that. Oh, wow. Alright. Well, what do you guys think? You know, even if we don't know what this thing is, would you buy something like this? I clearly will. I like really ridiculous things, and this might take the prize for the most ridiculous scale. I can't even say scale. Most ridiculous toy vehicle in my entire collection. If you guys know of anything crazier looking than this, please let me know. I don't know. It's really interesting. Okay, I will see you guys around. Thanks for watching.